Hey, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to very simply write stuff to a file in Python. Now, in this example, we're going to be showing you how to do it to a text file, but obviously there are many other file types that you can do this with. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. We're going to put in with, open, and then in parentheses here, we're going to state the file name. So we're just going to call this file.txt, put a comma here, and another quote, and W, because we want to write to the file. And then here we put an as, and let's just call it file. So obviously, you guys can see here in my directory that I do not have a file named file.txt, but if I did, then I would just be writing to that file. So if you don't have a file, then that's fine. When you open a file to write, it'll just create a file called file.txt. All right, so now we're just going to put in file.write, and everything needs to be done, of course, indented under this with line. And then we're going to do file.write. We're just going to put in, I guess, hello. All right, so now just enter, and now we're just going to run this program. We can see that it finished. And if we go ahead and see here, we have a new file called file.txt. Let's open it up, and we can see that I wrote the word hello to it. So let's go ahead and write hello to it again. And actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split to the right so you can see these things as they happen. So let's put in now world and run. And you can see now the file changed to have the word world in it. So now, when you write to the file this way, it'll actually start from the beginning. So if you want to add words to it, so you're going to need to just append. So instead of having the W here, you're just going to switch that W to an A, and that is append. And you can see if I run this, then I just wrote the word world right after the first word world. So if I do that again, you can see that it just added another world. Now I kind of want to add a new line to this, so I'm going to put in file.write. I'm simply just going to put in the new line. And now let's go ahead and run this. And you can see that from now on, it puts in world with a new line. So let me just go ahead and clear this out. And if we wanted to, we could write 10 lines that say the word world in it. So let's do that. We're going to put in for loop right up here. Do for I in range 10. And then I want to indent this under the for. And yeah, let's go ahead and write 10 lines of the word world. So you guys can see it's pretty simple to do that and to append lines. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit the like button.